चलो
And here we go, we are underway. Ismail in the black, Rashid in the green with black trim.
Ismail with the center of the cage.
Both these guys here ready to go. Rashid with some taunting. This can backfire really drastically.
Beautiful 1-2 by Ismail Khan.
He's tempting him.
Ismail Khan taunts back at Rashid Afzali.
He is trying to get in his head here. This is very interesting.
Exactly.
Oh my God, look at that. That is atrocious.
I've never seen anything like this from any Afghani fighter. Only Afghanis can do this sort of
I swear.
stuff. But
Rashid Afzali is playing
is he
with...
gonna throw anything?
Oh, no.
Exactly. Right away, Ismail goes for the shot. Let's see if he can score the takedown.
He's fighting the underhook battle. Rashid now has him against the cage.
Exactly.
Oh,
Beautiful knee by Ismail to the face of Rashid Afzali. Another knee. Ismail is a bear.
oh, he has his leg there.
Ismail looked for a trip, but
Ismail has both hands behind Rashid's leg, so he can potentially take him down.
Ismail has taken down Rashid Afzali.
That is takedown number 1. We will see if there are more or if he even needs more than them.
Ismail scored more than 16 to 17 takedowns in his previous fight against Ayub Khan.
16 to 17 takedowns against Ayub Khan, and now he is here.
That is basically a Flogger Series world record.
Now tell me something. What was the Afghan fighter Rashid trying to do at the start there?
I don't know.
See, that's the problem with that kind of stuff. It can backfire really quick. Oh my God, look at how high up he was bringing that leg.
Exactly.
I thought he was going to knee him.
Ismail is so athletic, full of muscle, so lean.
Absolute beast. That's why he was saying, what are you doing this taunting for, my man?
Exactly. Ismail is looking for knees of his own.
But he's got to be careful there about that guillotine. He cannot go into that guillotine of Rashid Afzali. These SFN guys are very good here.
So far, Rashid Afzali is doing very good defending any sort of ground and pound from Ismail.
Those feet are on the hips of
Exactly.
Ismail Khan. That's good.
Ismail basically needs to pass the butterfly guard to throw any sort of ground and pound.
He needs to either pass that guard or step back.
Exactly. Ismail is never going to step back.
Never going to step back, so he's got to pass that guard.
Exactly. But kudos to Rashid Afzali. He's basically doing a wonderful job of defending Ismail's ground and pound.
See, this is where the wrestling can get cancelled out sometimes.
Exactly.
Oh my goodness.
Exactly.
He's oh my God.
Ismail has the back of Rashid Afzali.
Ismail with some hard shots. He has the back. This can be potentially... Oh my
Heavy
goodness.
slam
Here we
by
go.
Ismail Khan.
This is Ismail Khan. This is the volcano, and it just erupted, ladies and gentlemen.
Rashid did not expect that at all. Neither did any of us.
Excellent work there with the takedown.
But again, Rashid is very good with his butterfly guard. He's not allowing Ismail Khan to pass that guard.
This is the wrestling revolution brought to you by every wrestler in the UFC, namely Khabib Nurmagomedov, who's made the sport as famous as it is. Ismail Khan emulates his style from that person, and now he's putting a whooping.
It's not easy when Ismail has you up against the cage. But Rashid Afzali is doing a wonderful job.
Oh, that's a hard shot there. Rashid Afzali is making it competitive.
Ismail is definitely gonna fight like this for all 3 rounds of 5 minutes. Ismail is gonna weigh down his opponent. Is gonna weigh down Rashid Afzali. Is gonna maul Rashid Afzali during the end of first round or during the start
Rashid looking at his corner for advice potentially. Ismail just smothering him, throwing shots at him relentlessly.
Look at the size difference of Ismail Khan against Rashid Afzali.
He gives 3 inches on height, Rashid Afzali does. And this is very interesting. Ismail now has his back clinch.
Ismail is looking for yet again another takedown for Ismail Khan.
Who can keep count when Ismail Khan is in the ring, huh?
Exactly. Ismail Khan on side mount and now throwing some elbows, throwing some ground and pound.
While we're here, see, a lot of questions have been asked about Ismail Khan. Can he take on the big challenge? Can he take the foreign challenge?
Ismail is the next big thing for Pak MMA.
And there we go. He's showing it right now.
Ismail has
my God, hard shots
on the chin of Rashid Afzali. Ismail has his hooks in, his one hook in. He needs to put his second hook in if he wants to score this. If he wants to secure this position, pardon me.
10 seconds left there. In the round, my goodness! Ismail
For the first time, we have seen a suplex in Flogger Series' cage.
First ever suplex. The second round. Rashid Afzali with a 1-2 of him. Oh, body kick there by Ismail Khan. Ismail now chasing him, showing his striking prop. Rashid still trying to play the
He's
mind
just
game.
doing some sort of bangla, Rashid Afzali, basically, right now.
Nothing has landed yet for Rashid Afzali. He's putting on a show for us. You want to say what you
Goes
want?
for a 1-2, but Ismail ducks that easily. He's trying to go for some sort of kick, I think. Rashid Afzali.
Rashid Afzali circling well, trying to distract Ismail.
But
Oh,
Ismail
it's a
is-
good inside leg kick there from Ismail. Oh, left
Beautiful leg stroke by
My
Ismail.
goodness.
Right on the chin of Rashid Afzali, and he takes his
Oh, a
like
head
a
kick.
man.
A head kick and Ismail has been... Oh, he flips it. He was about to get taken down, but he flips it.
What else can you talk about Ismail? What else can you say about Ismail? What else can you expect from Ismail the Volcano, the Bear Khan?
Apart from getting on top of his opponent and putting a whooping, and that is the story of this fight so far.
Ismail has
Second round here in the third fight, pardon me, here of Flogger Series 6, brought to you by SAG MMA.
Ismail has the back of Rashid Afzali once again. He has him against the cage. Let's see what can he bring from this position now.
Knees and knees.
Ismail needs to pass the half guard of Rashid Afzali, secure some good position, side mount or a full mount, and then he should throw his ground and pound.
Positioning first, strikes after.
Exactly.
This is the wrestling doctrine. We have 5 more fights after this, ladies and gentlemen. Nazir Khan, Izzat Khan, Rafiq Afridi. All of the fighters are going to be out here after this fight.
Rashid Afzali is good from his back, but hard ground and pound started to land for Ismail Khan. Ismail is a bear.
A bear, that means he's big, he's dominant, he's powerful. 5'10" for a flyweight, that's impressive.
Remember the bear Khabib used to wrestle with? He has grown up and he's become Ismail the Volcano Khan.
And he's still undefeated. This is incredible stuff here. Second round here of the 3-round title fight. Big knees coming down, raining down almost. Oh, there we go.
Heavy shots landed by Ismail Khan. Hard shots right on the chin of Rashid Afzali. Hard shots by Ismail Khan. Don't look at your corner.
Oh, he has his left and right leg.
Ismail goes for a big takedown.
The best prospect in all of
Ismail the Volcano Khan, ladies and gentlemen. Flogger Series 6. We bring you the greatest section of Park MMA.
Ismail, right on top of Rashid.
Ismail,
Hard elbow there.
how can Rashid Afzali keep going on, man, after taking such a beating?
Elbows and strikes and strikes.
Ismail is basically wearing Rashid Afzali down. Again, Ismail has his back. Rashid needs to figure a way out of this position if he wants to win this fight.
Dominant wrestlers. If you're taken down once, you most likely lost the round. Think about the
Exactly.
next one.
Hard shot. I think that was illegal. Or maybe not.
Referee right on top
Exactly.
of the
Exactly.
Take a good look at everything. Ismail, is it more of a game of how he wants to finish the fight?
Ismail basically mauls his opponents throughout 3 rounds, of his fights, and he's doing exactly the same thing in this fight as well. Against this huge pressure of Ismail the Volcano Khan, Rashid Afzali basically cannot do anything right now.
Hard strikes from behind.
Other than look, heavy shots, hard strikes
Explodes.
by Ismail Khan.
Explodes with an
Another
elbow.
beautiful elbow.
Short elbow.
Nah.
Here we go again, ladies and gentlemen. Rashid
we go.
Afzali.
Bhangra again from Rashid Afzali. Though it's a Punjabi dance move. Oh, double middle fingers by Rashid Afzali. I think that's all he can do. But he needs to focus on the fight.
Ismail will remember that. I know he will not. Oh, he almost gave him a receipt for those middle fingers. Oh, and a beautiful shot. And a beautiful shot from Ismail. And he has him on his back again. Passes guard. I think he's pissed off now. I think he wants to get him out of there. Oh my goodness. Hard elbows.
Hard elbows by Ismail Khan. Hard shots by Ismail Khan. This has gotten personal for Ismail Khan
Oh,
now.
man, you do not disrespect a man who's been killing you for the first two. Hard shots. Hey, jinx, brother. Oh, hard shots from Ismail Khan. Lefts and rights. He's controlling him so well.
Ismail controls his opponents, but I've never seen him throwing any shots this aggressively like he's throwing right now.
Can you blame him?
No, you cannot. You can absolutely not blame him.
Oh my goodness.
But you can definitely blame yourself for showing double middle fingers to Flogger Series flyweight semi-pro champion of the world.
Amen. Oh my goodness. Rashid Afzali trying to make his way back. Ismail gonna keep him grounded. Ain't no chance in hell
But
he's gonna
I
get up.
should give this much to Rashid Afzali for taking so much beating.
Oh my goodness,
Every
Ismail.
shot. I think this fight is gonna get stopped.
Ismail is putting on a beating
This
now.
fight is gonna get stopped. But
Strikes
Rashid
on strikes.
Afzali is still responding from the bottom position, still talking to his corner.
What is Ismail going to do here?
Ismail is gonna keep up the beating all night long. There is nothing much Rashid Afzali can do right now because he has Ismail up upon his back.
Ismail putting a beating on this man.
Like always, Ismail does.
All 3 rounds dominant, takes him down again. Who's keeping count of these takedowns?
No one can when Ismail Khan
My
fights
God,
in the cage.
Lefts and lefts and lefts. Rashid still talking smack. You gotta respect that at some degree, I guess. At some degree, you gotta respect that. But this is no joke. This is no time
Exactly,
to play.
but first you need to put on some show. You need to fight back. Rashid Afzali throwing his punches from the bottom, but they are not gonna hurt Ismail Khan at all. Hard shots again by Ismail Khan.
Hard shots. Constant action here from
Rashid
Ismail.
Afzali is throwing elbows of his own from the bottom position, but again, they are not gonna hurt at all.
He's lean, he's mean, he's an ass-kicking machine. Lefts and lefts, Ismail Khan non-stop.
Rashid Afzali is doing a good job of keeping this fight going on.
Oh my God, that's a knee. That has got to hurt. Oh no! Oh, that's a knee to...
I think that was an illegal knee.
But I think Rashid was almost on his way back
Exactly.
up. That's why the
Hard
referee's
shots
probably
by-
allowed it.
Exactly.
He's probably had one hand or one knee off the canvas, which is why he allowed it. And Ismail was going for a body
That's it.
anyway. Ismail
Look
with
at the
inside leg,
nose of Rashid Afzali. It's busted up.
inside leg kick into a transition. A shot into a takedown.
Ismail's fights are basically scripted. He opens up with a leg kick, and then he makes a shot, takes his opponent down, and mauls his opponent all night long.
Giving away some Cax Fight Club secrets. Ismail making his way to that back mount, which he liked so much. We saw Babar take that position tonight as well.
That is why at one point Muzammil Aziz called Ismail the Pakistani Khabib.
Muzammil Aziz called Ismail the Pakistani Khabib. That is correct. Shots and shots from his back.
That's it,
The
that's
referee.
it, that's
Let's go, let's stop to this contest. That is all she wrote.